Are you searching for the best water flossers? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 water flossers that I tested this year. Number 5. Waterpik Countertop Water Flosser for Kids WP260. Several dentists recommend this bright green water flosser for kids because it is gentle. Using a water flosser at too high an intensity can hurt young, sensitive gums. Dr. Alexandra Brennan from Children's Dental Associates in New London, Connecticut, likes Waterpik's water flosser for kids because it has a lower intensity dial. This makes a difference anticipate harm to the gums. Dr. Brennan too notes that the Waterpik for kids comes in fun colors and incorporates stickers for enrichment. They make it kid-friendly so kids and youngsters will really utilize it, she says. It's especially good for cleaning plaque from under wires and around brackets, which is important for keeping teeth and gums healthy. Dr. Ambawadekar says, flossing with regular floss can feel like a chore and take a long time with braces, so kids might not want to do it. Water flossers are a great alternative during this time. Dr. Grobmeyer adds that a water flosser can be helpful for kids who don't like brushing their teeth. Water flossers can make this boring errand more fun and curiously for kids and youngsters, he says. Number 4. Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Toothbrush. To spare counter space, you can utilize a gadget that combines brushing and flossing. This way, you only need one gadget instead of both a Waterpik and an electric toothbrush. The Waterpik Sonic-Fusion does just that by combining a water flosser and a sonic toothbrush. The brush head has delicate bristles and a gap for pressurized water to stream through. The flosser offers 10 pressure settings, from 10 to 100 psi, similar to the Aquarius. Its 16-ounce tank provides enough water for 60 seconds of flossing. Although it's a countertop model, the brush can be detached and used separately. The toothbrush portion has a built-in 2-minute clock and 2 speed settings. Dr. Jacqueline Philip-Goodling, an orthodontist at New York's Dr. Smiles, says, this product switches easily from brushing to flossing or both. She also mentions that it removes harmful bacteria and debris from deep between teeth and below the gum line, areas that traditional brushing and flossing might miss. Philip-Goodling is one of 9 experts who recommend this product. Dr. Mello also uses it and believes it's one of the best ways to keep your teeth clean between dentist visits. Number 3. Waterpik Cordless Slide Water Flosser. Waterpik's newest model, the Cordless Slide, is even better for travel than the Cordless Advanced. You can slide part of the base into the tank, making it about half its height. Just make sure the tank is empty first. When I packed it in my travel bag, it took up less space than the Cordless Advanced, especially after I removed the tip and stored it in a bag. It has the same tank size and battery life as the Cordless Advanced and comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable for recharging. The main difference is the pressure settings. It has one button, and you press it twice to change settings. The 3 pressure settings range from 50 to 80 psi, instead of 45 to 75. Number 2. Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser. Think of this model as a mini Aquarius. It's still a corded countertop model, so it's powerful but doesn't take up as much space. It's littler and very user-friendly, says Dr. Rosenberg. It's awesome for little lavatories, particularly in the city. The Nano Plus doesn't have all the features of the Aquarius. It has half the number of pressure settings but still ranges from 10 to 80 psi, so you can still customize it. The water tank is smaller but holds enough for a 60-second use, even though this model doesn't have a built-in timer. It doesn't pivot, but it comes with a substitution tip, a tip for braces, and one for inserts and other dental work to help you clean way better. Number 1. Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. 6 dentists I talked to recommended the Waterpik Aquarius. When I tried it myself, I didn't like how much space it took up on my small sink. But if that's not a problem for you, it has many good features. The Aquarius has a big 22-ounce water tank and a timer. This made using it much easier for me than smaller Waterpiks. I didn't have to refill the tank while flossing because it holds enough water for up to 90 seconds. The 1-minute timer also helped me know I was flossing long enough. The tip of the Aquarius can turn 360 degrees, and the water control is on the handle, making it easy to use. Even though my gums aren't very sensitive, the lowest setting was very gentle. The highest setting is powerful and can clean away tough plaque. Dr. Leib says it has the strongest engine on the market, which is good for removing food and debris from teeth. It has 10 pressure settings, from 10 to 100 psi. I use the classic tip, but the set also includes 2 extra classic tips and 4 special tips for people with braces or other dental hardware. The handle rotation helps clean hard-to-reach areas.